Hello everyone, if you're interested in videography or photography, today we're going to discuss the top performing 360 camera in the world. We'll delve into the features and capabilities of the Insta360 Ace Pro, a camera known for its exceptional performance. We'll explore all its features in detail, highlighting its strengths and any potential drawbacks. But before we dive in, I'd like to encourage you to hit the like button if you find the video informative, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let's get started. At the heart of the Ace Pro lies a formidable 1/1.3 sensor, delivering breathtaking 8K photo and video capabilities at up to 24 frames per second. Say goodbye to compromised image quality, even in challenging low-light conditions, thanks to its automatic HDR mode and advanced noise reduction technology. Crafted in collaboration with renowned lensmaker Leica, the wide-angle lens offers an expansive 151 field of view, ensuring you capture every aspect of the action with stunning clarity. Navigating your shots is a breeze with the intuitive 2.4 touchscreen display, which conveniently flips up for front or rear-facing use. Additionally, a front 0.7 display provides quick access to active settings, allowing you to stay focused on the action at hand. With built-in flow state stabilization, your footage remains smooth and steady, regardless of the intensity of the moment. But what truly sets the Ace Pro apart is its endurance. Equipped with a long-lasting battery that supports fast charging, you can enjoy up to 90 minutes of uninterrupted 4K 30 video capture, or over 2 hours of 1080p video, ensuring you never miss a single moment of your adventures. Whether you're a seasoned sports enthusiast, daring adventurer, or aspiring content creator, the Ace Pro delivers exceptional performance in any situation. Its rugged construction, coupled with unparalleled image quality and ease of use, makes it the ultimate tool for capturing life's most exhilarating moments in stunning detail. So, whether you're scaling mountains, shredding waves, or simply living life to the fullest, make sure you're equipped with the Insta360 Ace Pro 8K action camera, the ultimate companion for capturing every moment in stunning detail. Join us on Gadget Master as we explore the world of cutting-edge technology and gear, empowering you to master your gadgets and unlock endless possibilities.